Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Day Trader David. I hope you all are doing good and I believe today it was a fantastic day for you all. Though Bank Nifty didn't perform well, it was a choppy day overall today. But in the morning candle itself, I was done with my trading today. Uh, so overall I believe you had a good trading session. Okay, so today in this video I am going to discuss two things overall. So today we traded in Bharti Airtel, and I shared this analysis almost 2 days back that Bharti Airtel can perform. So keep an eye on Bharti Airtel, right? So in 1 or 2 days, Bharti Airtel can perform. So I did say that, and why did I say that? And also I say that Bharti Airtel can give positive momentum and not a negative momentum. Though I shared Reliance analysis also, but Reliance failed. Reliance broke the lower level and Reliance failed, but Bharti Airtel went as per my analysis. Okay, so I am sharing this analysis for a simple concept, because this concept might be useful to for you all. So for the next time, so whenever you see such chart patterns, not chart patterns, but such price action on chart and some logics on chart, so you can cope up with that and you can understand well for the next time, right? So this is the reason why I am sharing this. So overall in this video we are going to see about Bharti Airtel price action, and we are going to also see what can happen in Bank Nifty tomorrow and what is my position. I am already holding some position, so we will talk on that, right? So Bharti Airtel, it is not a hardcore science. If we go in a daily chart, then very simple is that Bharti Airtel is continuously halting at this level, right? So at this level Bharti Airtel was consolidating, so it gave a breakdown at this from here and it fell. So first point is very simple, is that I was tracking Bharti Airtel from very long days, from almost 10 to 15, not even 15 days, almost more than 20 days I'm tracking Bharti Airtel, because I even traded in Bharti Airtel at this breakdown, right? So there was something like this, so I traded Bharti Airtel at this breakdown. So the one thing is very important in market, that to understand the logics of the price, or to understand the price momentum, you need to track few stocks, right? So I was tracking this Bharti Airtel, and if Bharti Airtel was much weak, okay, so you can see that Bharti Airtel was not able to close below 500. It just made a wick and then it moved upside. And if Bharti Airtel was weak, then it would have continuously halting at lower levels and it would have broke the lower levels, right? So but that didn't happen in Bharti Airtel, and also there is some kind of accumulation near this 500 zone in Bharti Airtel, which is clearly spotted. So what did I see in Bharti Airtel? So that I posted 2 days back that Bharti Airtel can perform, and even you can see, right, this continuously three green candles. And yesterday when our markets, overall market sentiments was weak, Bank Nifty closed more than 3% 3 or 3.5%. Still, Bharti Airtel closed positively with 1.4%, right? So that is the kind of momentum. Even today it has closed with 0.75%, but it made a good momentum upside, right? So how did I identify that? So let's go to 30 minutes chart. So I even posted in my Telegram channel that analyze 30 minutes chart, so that you will understand the concept behind the price, right? So which is, it is much important in life. So if you see this level, right, we can clearly see this level. This is a support level, for example, right? Bharti Airtel is was continuously halt at this level, halt at this level, halt at this level. But here Bharti Airtel, here Airtel broke the level, it made a low. Now comes the very important point, right? It made a low, again recovered. So this recovery is very much important, and then again it took support, and again it took support, again it took support. So one thing that Bharti Airtel wants to convey by this, so price is clearly telling that I am taking support at this level. Okay, the price is telling that the price is taking support at this level, but at certain point Airtel broke this level, right? At certain point Airtel broke this level, but at this level was recovered in just next day, I guess, right? So this level was recovered. So this is very much important whenever we trade. So again when Airtel came at this level, again it tried to make take the previous support, right? This here again it was taking support, here also it is taking support. This was just a fake breakdown. Okay, this was just a fake breakdown, and to take stop losses of the people. Okay, so usually whenever there comes a huge momentum, whenever the momentum comes, before that stop loss hunting, most probably stop loss hunting happens in market. Okay, so you can see these breakdowns, there is no volume, there is nothing much difference in volumes, right? So this was a, so what did I say? I just saw the support and I just identified that this is a fake breakdown. So because if Airtel wants to go down, then it would have sustained below this level and it would have not recovered. Even if there is a pullback, then again it would have come down, right? So that didn't happen in Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel again recovered. So that was one of the things that I saw in Airtel. And so I was waiting for an entry. If you see my entry, then this was the pattern I was looking for in Bharti Airtel. So this was a trend line that I was looking. So let me just delete this so that you can see it properly. Right now you can see this clearly, right? Downside there is a support, upside there is a trend line. So now the very one first thing is we have to wait for a trend line breakout. Very simple. So this happened yesterday, this breakout kind of thing happened yesterday, but I didn't see this because I was expecting that Airtel will, one day Airtel should trade in this, and on Tuesday, that is today, the Airtel should perform. So my expectation was very clear that Airtel should perform today. So that is the reason I didn't even see, even though I saw that I would have not traded. And the breakout happened at the same day, and Airtel closed at here yesterday, right? Yesterday's closing was here. So today, where did I enter in Airtel? So very simple, that today market opened and market fell, right? Today, so I was waiting for this level in Airtel. So in first candle itself, now let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so this was a perfect entry today. Today we were about to buy about 530, but you can see at the first dip, so this is the first red candle. So Airtel opened at here and then it fell. So I entered at 526, almost at 526. This was my entry, and my stop loss was 523. I gave only 3 point stop loss. Okay, and I exited my trade at 531. I exited at my trade at this level. So the why did I exited my trade? I will share that also. Not a huge, nothing huge. So if you see here, there is a level in Airtel. I saw this level as a resistance level 531. Even today you can see Airtel closing is at 532, right? Yeah, Airtel closing is 532, and it again took support at this level because I was seeing this level as a resistance. So I usually prefer my bookings at that. So no one can ca- caught, no one can get the, no one can catch the tops and bottoms. But today I caught the bottom but not the top. Okay, so both things rarely happen that. Those days rarely happen that we catch tops and bottoms both. So today I caught the bottom but not the top, so doesn't matter. It was a good day overall in good trade in Bharti Airtel, because this trade was not a analysis of one day. I analyzed and I was waiting, I was watching this stock continuously, and then I traded. So the motive behind this video, behind this analysis to share, is that this fake breakdown. So whenever you see some fake breakdowns or breakouts, be very cautious that some momentum is going to happen, but you need to wait for proper entry, just like me, as I waited for a proper entry of this proper breakout of this trend line. After that only I entered, right? So likewise you can analyze your charts. Okay, so let's talk about Bank Nifty. What's happening in Bank Nifty? Okay, so what can happen tomorrow? We will see what happened in Bank Nifty and what can happen tomorrow. So last time when I made video in Bank Nifty, I gave a target in Bank Nifty, like I was expecting this level. I said 400 to 500 points, Bank Nifty can move upside. We were here at that point. I said Bank Nifty can move upside. But in that analysis, one thing I didn't mention, actually I forgot. I just shared one part of the analysis, right? I said if Bank Nifty breaks this, I don't remember if I said this or not even, but I was having this resistance, of course. So there was some kind of trend line like this from upside. So what I said was Bank Nifty has given a breakout, a retest, and this upside. So maybe Bank Nifty can give another 350 to 400 points rally upside. But after that only I realized that this is a resistance. So I was clearly waiting that if this resistance is broken, only then I am going to enter, right? So this was the one side of the analysis. The another side is, what if Bank Nifty opens gap down? In that level also I was pretty clear that Bank Nifty can fall, and also it will break this level, because you can see this is multiple time tested level, which is this level. So I was expecting Bank Nifty to break this level. So overall Bank Nifty did broke that level, and that day was a fantastic day. I even yesterday, that was yesterday itself. Even yesterday I just traded this first few candles and then I just closed my day. And even today I just traded this first candle and this second candle, and I just closed for the day. Second candle was basically a small scalp. Let me just show you my position. It is plus 13,000. It is actually plus 15,000, but I am holding this position which is in negative of minus 2,500, I guess. So today's profit was around 15.5k. Okay, so see, first of all I'm not interested in showing my profits overall, but I am just showing what I did today. Okay, so this is Bharti Airtel. You can see I booked profit of 4,900 in Bharti Airtel, and all other I just traded this. This was the position I was holding from yesterday, and overall I didn't trade much today. Okay, so I just did a small scalp, and in which I booked around 6,000 to 7,000, I guess. There was a loss in this, so just covered that. Okay, so overall my day was good, as you can see also. So now I am holding a short position which is 33,000 call option and 33,500. It is a hedge for margin benefit basically. Okay, so 33,000 call option. So why did I sell 33,000 call option? So if you check the difference of this, the premium that I am going to get is of 117 points. So the profit margin is around 17,000 in this. If this trade goes in my direction, the profit will be around 17,000. So why did I sell that level? Very simple thing is, let us go to 5 minutes chart. So today's candle, if you notice today's candle, first candle was a huge red candle, right? No doubt on that, huge red candle. And then immediately Bank Nifty took support at this level, and then buyers came in. Now understand the price very carefully. Now buyers came in at this level, and buyers even went above, covered, buyers covered complete red candles. Okay, if this was a fall, buyers completely ate, they ate this complete red candle. But but here comes the important point, they were not able to close above that level. Now if buyers would have closed above this level, then that would be a fantastic thing. You can see this is the first attempt, and buyers again tried at this level and again they failed. So here I see, this is how I read the price. So everyone has a different thing, so maybe my analysis might go wrong also, but in that case I will give a stop loss, doesn't really matter, right? So my analysis and my logic says that Bank Nifty, this level, if Bank Nifty would have closed above this level, which is above 32,950, then that would be a fantastic thing in Bank Nifty. But buyers could not hold upper levels, they were not able to hold upper levels, and they failed. Buyers clearly failed today, and sellers won. Actually this is a sideways market, but actually sellers has won today, and they have closed the price at lower levels, right? So now understand the price very carefully. Now buyers has failed and sellers won, and sellers has closed the price at lower level, right? Because this, there is a huge candle, red candle, buyers tried, failed. Again there was a dip, sellers tried, and here buyers again tried, and here buyers failed. And then again there was a price action, and sellers were able to close the price at the lower levels. So this is the simple logic behind the price. Now what can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow is very clear that if remember the Bank Nifty, if Bank Nifty opens in this box, okay, mark this bank box in your, on your chart. If this is my expectation and my view, okay, if Bank Nifty opens somewhere around here, then most probably and most likely Bank Nifty will break this level. Bank Nifty will break the support level of last 2 days, and it will make a fresh low. Okay, so this is my expectation. And then why did I sell 33,000 call option? Why did I sell that? Very simple, is that tomorrow is Wednesday and day after tomorrow is Thursday. So I preferred a option selling which I can carry till Thursday if the trade goes in my direction, right? So this is the level which this is the option that I had sold, 33,000. And then another thing is upside, there is a resistance now, 33, this level is 33,200 or 33,250 level. This level that I had drawn is a resistance, so I can defend this option also. I might try to defend this option, because if Bank Nifty moves upside, even Bank Nifty moves upside, so from here it will take resistance. So this is what I am expecting. At this level Bank Nifty can take resistance, and again it can give a dip. Okay, so this expiry, if Bank Nifty didn't doesn't close at lower level, okay, remember, if Bank Nifty doesn't fall tomorrow, then this expiry can be somewhere around 33,000 level, plus or minus 200 points. Okay, Bank Nifty can expire this Thursday. Bank Nifty can expire in this box. Condition is if tomorrow Bank Nifty doesn't fall. Okay, so all things are very important. We need to connect multiple things in market to trade in market. So one thing is, if Bank Nifty doesn't fall tomorrow and Bank Nifty regains the upside, okay, it tries to move upside, then 33,250, 33,200 is resistance, and then Bank Nifty can be, again it can be volatile, and maybe it will close plus minus 250 points from 33,000 level. So that is my expectation, and again this is why I had sold 33,000 call option. So very simple logics. So simple logics work in market. So tomorrow my expectation is very clear. As I said, if Bank Nifty opens below 32,600, and if it breaks 32,400, then we can enter in Bank Nifty with some 100 point stop loss, and your target should be minimum 1 is to 2, 200 points target can be minimum we can get. Okay, so another thing is, why I sold call option is because here we can see a trend line in Bank Nifty. This is daily chart of Bank Nifty. So we are now around the trend line, right? We can clearly see that we are now around our trend line. So maybe if Bank Nifty opens flat tomorrow, then there is a higher chance that this trend line can be tested, which is Bank Nifty can move below 31, 32,000 level also, and maybe it may not close below that level, but it may touch that level also below it. It may go below that level. So downside possibility, there is a good possibility as in not a huge possibility. Maybe in future, if this trend line breaks, then we can get huge levels at lower levels, but I'm not expecting it to break because there is a lot of red candles from the top, right? So maybe there can be a pullback from this trend line. So that is a overall higher time frame analysis, so we will not go into that. But for this expiry, overall for tomorrow, if Bank Nifty breaks 32,400, then just short Bank Nifty with 100 points stop loss and 200 points target. And overall I had sold 33,000 call option for this expiry if my trade goes again according to me, right? If not, then I may plan to hold this. I will try to make some adjustments also. So another thing is, just let me just quickly share. I just saw a stock today, stock for tomorrow that you can watch is HDFC Life. So very clear is that HDFC Life is also mostly like, it looks like Airtel, that it is not interested in lower levels. Let me just share you. Actually, I didn't analyze this stock. I had just shortlisted it. So this is a level that we can see in HDFC Life, because here also I can see this as a fake breakdown, and maybe we can see a good green candle tomorrow. So HDFC Life, try to buy HDFC Life tomorrow above 700. Above 700 HDFC Life can perform tomorrow. Let's just see. Okay, just above 700, go and buy HDFC Bank and sorry, HDFC Life Insurance, and give a stop loss of around 5 points. If not, then also note this dip. This dip is also very important. If HDFC Life gives a dip around 690, 691, so even that can be a buying opportunity in HDFC Life. Okay, so HDFC Life tomorrow above 700, you can try to buy it. HDFC Bank also looks HDFC Life Insurance, sorry. So just note it out, it is HDFC Life Insurance. In daily chart it looks good to me. So above 700, some kind of buying can happen in HDFC Life. Just note it down. Just put it in first list. Okay. So one thing that I want to share is always track few stocks. Okay, track few stocks. Only then you will be. It is not necessary that you should track all 50 stocks. Just track 10 to 15 stocks, and whenever you get opportunities in those stocks, just jump and trade. Okay. So HDFC is one of the stock that I track. So this is what I am expecting tomorrow above 700. We can get a decent move upside. Just note that. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope my analysis was useful to you all. More importantly, Bharti Airtel analysis, which was done, which we are done today, and then now HDFC Life for tomorrow. Let's see how HDFC Life, yeah, performs. Yeah, and also you can make, you should trade for minimum 1:2 risk reward. Okay, even today our risk reward was one more than 1:3, I guess, in Bharti Airtel. And I also shared bank nifty analysis. So if at all you're a kind of beginner and you want to trade with me on my levels, then you can join my premium group by opening a trading account under us. So you can contact me on below mentioned WhatsApp number, or through Telegram you can contact me. So I will be helpful. It will be helpful to you all. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope to meet you all with some another learning video. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.